Ever since JIAYANG used the Gen 14 Maglev Pro to break the 3x3 AsR of 3.47 seconds, I've been eager to try out that cube. And I finally got it, thanks to Gen for sending me this cube. This is an upgrade to the Gen 14, which I've reviewed on my channel. The Gen 14 was definitely an upgrade to the 13 in most aspects, but it didn't surprise me as much as the 12, which is still the best Gen cube in my opinion. Let's take a look at Gen's newest flagship and find out how it differs from the 14 and whether it surpasses the 12. Gen has made a few minor changes to the Pro from the 14. The center caps now require a tool to be opened, which I don't understand the reason for. I prefer the older Gen caps design, although sometimes it's hard to pry them out without fingernails. Now, you can save your nails by just snapping on the center caps. Besides that, the feet of the edges have become longer. I assume this is to address the popping issues that many people encountered with the 14. However, I haven't noticed much difference in terms of popping issues than stability, as I usually use medium to tight settings, so I haven't had any pop so far. Other designs remain the same. In terms of feel, it's almost the same as the 14. Clacky, smooth, maybe a bit faster, and the squishy feel is gone. I seriously can't find much difference. As for performance, I'm using the default settings, which are 2 for axis distance, 4 for compression, 3 for both edge and corner magnets. The setting is slightly looser than what I typically use, but after I applied angstrom loops, it became much more controllable and enjoyable to solve. In conclusion, although there are only minor changes over the 14, the Pro is still better, but not by a large margin. The 12 is still the GOAT, in my opinion, but the Pro came very close. I'm enjoying the Pro and have been using it these days. If you like the 14 and would like to try an enhanced version of it, I'd recommend buying the Pro. However, if you own a 12, I suggest waiting for Gen's future releases. That's all for this review. Bye.